Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to factory reset HMD Pulse Pro phone. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly factory reset HMD Pulse Pro phone here? Well, first things first is you want to make sure that your phone is actually turned off. So you want to press and hold the power button and just basically turn off your phone. Now, once your phone is turned off, you want to go and put your phone into a very specific screen here, which in this case is going to be the recovery screen. So to do that, you want to go and locate your power button you have, as well as the volume down or the minimize volume option for your phone. So you want to press those two buttons, again, the power button and the volume down button, together for about a few seconds. Now, once you've done that, it should redirect you to the screen here. Now, it should show Android recovery here, so you could use the volume up and down buttons to move around the options here. And in order for you to select a specific option here, you need to use your power button. Now, in this case, you want to look for wipe data or factory reset or something similar. So once you've actually went to that specific option, use your power button to select that. Now, from here, it's going to ask you, you're really sure you want to do a recovery here or a factory reset. Now, by the way, this wipes all the data you have, any apps that you installed, so make sure to back up any data you don't want to be lost. But go ahead and just answer yes here, confirm that. And in here, once the reboot or the factory reset is complete, you just need to reboot your system now and see if that actually solves any issue you're encountering. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.